Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to cancel your order on Foodpanda. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply click on the Foodpanda app, and as you can see I have already placed my order and you can see it below. So we'll just simply click on the order, and now you will not find a direct option to cancel your order. So what you need to do is go on the help section, click on the help button on the top right corner, and now select the option that says how do I cancel my order. So simply click on that option that says can I cancel my order, and select the reason below. So my reason was I accidentally placed a pre-order, so I will just simply click on that option. So click on it and then click on confirm, click on yes, and that's it. We have successfully cancelled our order. So that's it for today guys. Thank you.